Hello, this is me, ALIRAZAMARKETING, Google Ads, Bing Ads, and Facebook Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google partner company. We provide different solutions. So let's get started on the question I have, and the question is, hi, is it possible to post some locations in my campaign? Okay, it's I have. Plumbing campaign running in the greater Montreal area, but would like to target a specific city in that region and keep the same campaign. Is it possible to post some locations? I thought of reducing the bid 0% to all for all other cities, but is there a better way? Okay, there are many ways to sort it out, but this is for those who don't know. This is question is regarding for Google Ads. So let me be very specific with it so that people do not have any confusion. There are multiple ways to sort out these issues because you do not want to run in other location and you want to target a specific location. What you can do is to work around on your location. For instance, you just have to go to your campaign, select any campaign. Let's say we are going with this campaign. I'm just giving an example. Go to the settings, and once you go to the settings, you can see over here the locations. Okay, what you can do is you can target your locations from over here, and the locations you do not want to target, you can simply exclude that, because with every location you have an option. For instance, if I want to target, uh, let's say if I'm going to target this one, I have an option of, you can see, I can target or I can exclude. So I just have to simply exclude those cities, and this will automatically make my ad not to be shown on those areas. But again, there is another way as well which you were talking about, and that is just have to go to your, you just have to press over here. You may have seen option of show more. Select this one, go to your locations, select your locations, and you can also put your bid 200 for those locations by doing bid adjustment like over here, like as you told. But even better than the bid adjustment, I like the idea of excluding locations, because that makes campaign more relevant and more improved, and you may also be getting more targeted results with it. So in my opinion, that is a better strategy rather than reducing the bid to 0%. I hope this answers your question, and in case if you need Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or Bing Ads services, the details are in the description of this video on how you can work with me and my team. So I look forward to working with you all of guys. And in case if you like this question, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Take care and bye bye.